All right, let's look at the charts real quick. Daily 4 hour, we closed below previous day low. 1 hour, we broke back above the 1 hour high. So 1 hour is currently bullish down here in this range here. We bounce off the 50% on the 1 hour here. Let's see the optimal 1 hour here. Let's look at the premium here. Alright, cool. We could also take it from the high to the low here. We are rejecting that premium, that's what it seems. That 1 hour premium of this range here. Okay, so let's dive a little bit deeper here. Let's look at this one. Same thing, hourly broke above. Hourly needs to break above that high though. This is internal. We are at the 1 hour premium as well here. We're rejecting so far. Nice little 40 points already. Wow, okay. We need to break below this. We broke above, we broke below. Didn't break above that high yet. Okay, we can see a break below here. We can see continuation to the downside. So on ES, I'll wait for this break here, this low. Let's go look at NQ real quick. 15-minute broke above this high. What high broke is above? We held the low here, so this is our 15-minute low that I want to see pretty much hold or break. Hold or break here, but we'll see. Okay, we did break above this high here. We did break below this low here. So 15-minute high is here. Okay, let's see, 15-minute high here. 15-minute high is up there. Okay, buy sell on the 15. Probably rejected the premium. Why we rejected? Yeah, rejected the premium on the 15. Let's see the 5-minute. The 5-minute broke above the internal high here. Need the 5-minute to break this low here. Cool. All right, nice. 70 points. That's fucking crazy off the open. So what I'll pretty much I'm waiting for is to break on the 5-minute. Hopefully we can get the 15 too. Pretty much something like this. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to aim for 23,328 today. 23,328. That's what I'm looking to target today. So let's see what happens. What a nasty sell-off. Seems like going to continue lower. That's about 80 points there. So this is a range we're going to play here. Let's see what happens. Previous day low on SPY here. Oh yeah, previous day low on SPY. QQ looks like it wants to go for that weekly 565.65, which is the weekly 50%. If we don't hold there, we're going straight for 565.06. So let's see. Nasty bounce here off the hourly premium, right? So hourly, we shifted here, we retested the imbalance. Looks like we're bouncing off the hourly premium there. Pretty nasty bounce, about 30 points. Let's see if the 5-minute holds or breaks. It needs to break the 5-minute. This is why you don't short without confirmation. You see how the lows are holding? This is why we're patient. Because people will try to short here, trying to think they're going for 328, and the risk to reward would have been crap. They would have got in here, the risk is this high here, and they take profits here. dirty. That's nasty, right? So you want to wait for the break of this low here at the buy to sell. We'll take the fibs from the high to wherever the low is. If it closes below, we'll look for entry. And then what that's going to do is going to minimize our risk to this high here. Sorry, we'll do entry, let's say around here to the high here, and then take profit here. Right, that looks more appealing, right? So that is what I'm currently waiting for. Let's see what happens. Yes, it looks like it's going to hold the low in 15 seconds. 6 seconds here. ES held the low, NQ closed below. Okay, NQ has been leading this week, so what I'm looking to see happen here is if we can retest this 50% here, pretty much retest, have an ES pop a little bit to then cause the break of the 5 with NQ's retest here. Let's see if that happens. We are at previous day low on SPY to it's like I want to take it off the 5-minute setup here, but also I want to be a little bit more patient and just wait for the 15-minute break. It is a 15-minute head and shoulder. It is a 5-minute buy to sell, so it all lines up there. It's just ES holding that low and SPY holding previous day low. It's what's kind of making it a little bit iffy for me here. A little, I would say 70% chance it works out. I want to have a higher percentage of that, to be honest. So let's see what it wants to do. The woman it did break, it looks like it's retesting it on ES. But we gotta wait for this 5-minute break of it too, so let's see. Also, the other thing I don't like is that we didn't sweep. These highs weren't higher to sweep, so it's kind of I think I'm gonna just wait the first 15-minute, guys. Even if it does retest at 50% on a 5-minute, I probably won't take entry. I'd want to wait for the 15-minute low of 23.76 to break. I prefer being a little bit safer today, patient. If it sells off, it sells off. Cool. You know, at least we caught most of it yesterday, so I wouldn't be mad about it. But I'd feel better if ES breaks a 5-minute, and then if NQ breaks a 15-minute low. Cold, man. Cold. So we pretty much have 7.5 minutes here. Let's see, did we close below previous? Yeah, we did also on the 4-hour on ES. Yeah, I mean, we could continue down lower to these lows here. Just gotta see that break, bruh. I gotta see the break. I'm tired today, man. One more minute here. Let's see if ES can get the break the next minute. Come on, ES, get the break. Give us the break. Make us feel a little bit more confident here. 30 seconds. SPY looks like it's gonna hold the previous day low in this 5-minute candle close. Let's see if it breaks below as well in 14 seconds. It's pretty much, we're right at the support of this area here, so let's make or break. SPY held the 5-minute previous day low. ES broke below. Cool, perfect. ES broke below. All right, beautiful. We have a confirmation on the 5. Let's see if we can retest. Let's see if we can get a retest now. Now wait for a retest because I'm not chasing there. It could easily just catch momentum down to 328, but I don't want to chase this. 4 minutes here. See if we can get the 15-minute close below on SPY for previous day low. It's gonna hit my level. Man, it's not gonna give me an entry. Perfect. Cool. Don't even worry about it, NQ. Just do it, bro. You're already there. You're 10 points away. You might as well do it. 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes with a 15 here. There's a big range, man. QQ is going for that 560, 565 weekly that we were talking about. Well, we're up nice on those QQs anyways. We're up 230% here. It's a nice swing. Yeah, see, this is why we wait for those nasty pops. Alright, 2 minutes. I don't like that SPY is gonna hold the 15-minute, man. Let's see here. It's a little volatile this morning, huh? Yeah, it's pretty volatile to be honest. So it looks like it's a 1-minute retest here to continue lower. That way it can cause a 15-minute break. A little buy to sell on the 1 retest. Yeah, it can just come down to the 328 now. And then we have 1 minute left for the 15. It can just easily break the 15, catch momentum down into overnight lows over here. There it goes. There goes NQ. Yeah, that 1 minute retest. I didn't want to play it all small time frame, but that's 40 points there. At least we're gonna get the 15-minute break hopefully here on SPY. 40 seconds left, and same on ES, same on NQ. So at least we'll have a larger time frame. We'll have a higher confidence setup. NQ just hit the TP. Literally just sat here and watched this sell off 100 points, but I didn't have confirmation. So discipline, 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 discipline. At least we got the 15-minute confirmation, so that makes me feel better about this trade. I feel less thoughtful of it. I can just do it at ease. So perfect. Now I can wait for a retest if we get it. We got the 15-minute break on SPY below previous day low. We got the 15-minute low break of NQ. We got the 15-minute low break of ES as well. I do want to see us pop a little bit so we can get a retest, and then we pretty much would target overnight lows. But NQ is leading. NQ is the one that's leading today compared to ES and SPY. This shit is just drilling, bro. Where's the room down to? 23,107. There's no way. Another 200 point sell off today. Sheesh. That'd be pretty insane, huh? We could see a little bounce here off the monthly open to the retest levels, which is really what I would want to see. What a sell-off, bro. It's like 160 points. There goes QQ at the 4-hour low. QQ at 4-hour low here. We have room down all the way now to 560.82 on QQQ, guys. Sheesh. At least our puts are deep in profits now. But yeah, we can see a bounce here at the monthly open. 275%. This thing is fucking leaking. Someone stop it. We have a lot of room down, guys. We have a lot of room down. We have next is this 1-hour low here. Sheesh. Give me a retest, bro. There goes overnight lows coming here for ES. We could see a pop here due to monthly open. If we can sweep the overnight lows on ES, something like this, sweep the overnight lows, retest, and continue lower. So what I want to see, just like the overview we talked about. So let's see. So far, the 1-hour range down here is playing out. That is a crazy sell-off. That's 160, 70 point. Wowzers. Okay. Cool. ES just swept overnight lows here. Let's see what the market's gonna want to do. Could see a potential bounce here so we can get the retest that we want. Nice little move so far. Nice 13-point bounce. Cool. Good, dude. Yeah, we can see the bounce here now. Should be good. That's what I want to see here. Bounce to retest. Hold the monthly open the next minute and then pop it into here. Yeah, pretty good area here. ES overnight lows, 64.10 psych level, NQ at the monthly open, QQ at the 4-hour low, 565.06 level I talked about. SPY's right at the daily premium. Yeah, everything lines up here for a potential bounce for me. If we don't bounce here, we're gonna have room down to that 636.80 something. For the gap fill on SPY. So we would have room down to 636.81, bro. That's what I'm trying to say. Nice, 300% on these QQ guys. Boom shakalaka. Your runners are running on this swing, guys. Very nice. Sheesh, we're drilling. We're still drilling, huh? Wowzers. I just watched it sell off this whole morning. That is okay. It happens. Let's see if we can go for that 636.81 on SPY. Yeah, nah, I'm okay with missing it today. I'm up nice on the week. Not worried. I want to see this ES pop here a little bit though. They go SPY at the low here. We should see a little bounce here now. This is where I see a relief bounce. If not, then this shit's going for 23,107. Yeah, SPY's at that low. SPY's in the gap, so we should see a relief here. There we go. SPY off the gap, SPY off the bounce, off the low. 6,400 on ES as well. Yeah, it's the gap there for SPY, so. ES just tapped the order block also on the hourly. Yeah, I was waiting for a retest. Yeah, we didn't get it. That's cool. That's cool. This thing wants 23,107. It wants to go for the daily low. That is insane. Sheesh. Yeah, this thing just wants to go over here. What the fuck? That one candle there on the 1 minute. Sheesh. That's insane. We're almost at those lows though. We're almost at the lows we want. So pretty good. Pretty close to it. ES just hit the low. NQ almost at it. So. What a fucking sell-off, bro. Pretty much 270 points. I watched this shit sell off all day today. But hey, it didn't give me a retest, so I couldn't get in. I couldn't chase this. No retest whatsoever today. Just straight breakdown. The only retest was the break and retest of the 5 minute, but then ES had held, so I don't want to jump the gun. But wow. What a fucking sell off. What a fucking move. Yeah, this is fucking insane, man. The thing is, the range is so big too. Like here, look, you'd be risking 50 points. Sheesh, man. We're still not at the low yet for NQ, so even though SPY just filled the whole gap though. SPY filled the whole gap. QQ still has room down a little bit more, so it's one of those iffy ass areas. We can still go for that 107 though. That's what the market wants to do. Yeah, this thing just wants to leak, man. Mm-hmm. 1 minute retest and sold off. Daily low here on ES. Damn. I can't believe we didn't get no fucking retest, man. We got him on the 1 minute. We should have took it on this one. Oh, wow. But no, because then ES still held the low, so that's a risky trade for me. What a strong break though on the 15 off the overnight lows here. Just straight 5 minute kind of just like go right after. Bouncing off the daily low here. We're still retesting the 1 minute imbalance here. So if you want to short and you think we can head lower, this is your risk here. So the 1 at 1.7. Can it work? Yes. It's just, I don't like that we're right at the daily low, so we fill the gap on SPY. We haven't hit the daily low on SPY just yet though. QQ, we haven't hit the weekly level that I want, the 560.82, so we still have a little bit of room down, but this can just be the retest here on the 1 minute. Let's look at ES here. Yeah, nah, I don't want to short the bottom. I prefer sitting out today than forcing a trade. I can't believe this, bro. At least the overview 1 hour setup played out, but damn, what a fucking sell off, bro. Wow. Almost 300 points off the open, guys. It was 300 points. Sheesh. That 1 minute retest it's going. Is there news in 30 seconds? Or no? We held that daily low on the 5 area. We broke it. Maybe we can just wait for the retest of the 15 minute 23 299. This is fucking insane. Unless the momentum is going to stay strong, then it's going to reject here and just try to push lower off this imbalance on ES. And the volatility today is kind of crazy too. It's like the trend is strong and just want to continue from these little small breaks and retests here. But I'd want to see a deeper retracement off the larger time frame. Spy filled the gap. That could have been a banger fucking day today, man. Why didn't he just give us a retest? That could have been sexy. Oh, that would have been so nice. It would have just got the retest. Would have been a stupid fat. Yeah, this is insane. I mean, I think we still had lower, but 1 minute 5. It's like I want to wait for the 15. I could play this 1 minute setup here and risk some money. That's about 32 points. A little bit riskier because I would want to see a larger time frame, but we broke, even on a 15, we broke that daily low. We broke the low on SPY. Maybe we can just see a big continuation. Yeah, this thing is going. Bro, I would have been up 20 points. That's so fast, bro. Yeah, I would love the monthly open, but I think we can just continue down lower from here, man. Like I really think the market just wants to continue the downtrend down to the lows down here for NQ at least, and for ES. Because we did break this. If we would have held it, I would have said, oh, we can get a nice bounce to the retest. But since it broke those lows, then it's kind of like it just wants to continue strong. Let's see. Yeah, this thing just wants to go. There it goes. Yep. There goes that thing. Oh my god. The volatility on this is insane. It wants that 107, guys. That was a great risk there. 107. That's where we're going next. 107. Fuck it. Smack 25. There you go. Stops and profit. Alright, fuck it. At least I made some money there. There you go. 10 points. 15 points. I hope you guys actually smacked me 25. Alright. Break even. Break even at 54 here. Stops me up pretty nice, eh? Can't believe I chased this shit down here, bro. Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Break the low, break the fucking low, continue, break the low. We did, okay, cool. Oh, we're up, we're in fucking good shape. 20 points here. Trimming some more off here. Alright, fuck it. I'm down to my last 5 here. Oh. I can breathe now. We made something. We made something. Tell me when did I not say smack 25? Oh, I didn't say just kidding this time. Let's go, baby. Nice. Nice. It wants at 107. 107, that's what it wants. 107. 30 points here, guys. Nice. There we go. 35 points. It's at 107 target. That's what I want. Like I said, the reason I took it down here, it was riskier at these lows, but the reason I went heavy was because I wanted to catch the momentum. Due to ES breaking that low here, and then it finally came to retest that imbalance on the 5-minute. I didn't think we'll get a deeper retracement since we broke the lows. We broke the lows on everything. Market looks pretty strong of selling off, so I didn't think we'd get a pop where I'd want it. What I really wanted to was up here. So the reason I did 25 was because I was literally risking this immediate high. If it would have came up to a wick dip, I would have been stopped out. So it was a good trade, but it was very risky for me. Very, very risky. If you missed it, you can try here again on the retest here, and you're going to be risking this high. So entry at the 50%, high, and take profit here. So it's a 101. Not the best risk to reward, but it is a setup. So if you missed it, you can try to take a trade right here. Because we broke the low, meaning we broke the low to continue lower. But I want that 107, 107, 107. TP hit. There we go. Nice. 48 points here, guys. Nice. 50 points. Alright. Down to my last 2 cons here since TP hit. Market do whatever the fuck I want.